Every time log should contain the following 5 parts: time, duration of activity, activity, category, and value. There are 4 steps to creating a time log. Number 1. Record every activity throughout the workday. If you do different activities in different days of the week, you need to record every activity for a week. Number 2. Categorize your activities. Number 3. Specify the value of the activity you perform. Number 4. Summarize the data at the end of the week. During the first step, you should record every single activity during the workday for a week. You should register every interruption, every phone call, every meeting. Write down each activity as it ends, and don't try to remember several because you will forget the duration of some, and the time log will give us a wrong picture. The more activities you register, the more detailed the analysis will be. Remember not to put the unusual working day activities in your time log. If you are invited to attend an unexpected all-day meeting, don't put it in the time log. Categorize the activities means to divide all the different activities into different categories. For example, responding to the emails and reading old emails should be placed in the same category, email. Or for example, coffee breaks and lunch breaks should be placed in the category breaks. If the activity you're currently working on is planning the weekly production, in the time log it should be registered in the category planning. The next step in constructing the time log is to specify the activity based on the degree of importance it has for your company or customers and how this activity relates to your main responsibilities. Here the activities are divided into 4 different categories: high value added activities, medium value added activities, low value added activities, and non-value added activities. So, if you are an IT trainer and currently working on the training preparations for a new software, this activity should be placed in the high value added activities because your main activities are preparing and delivering the IT courses. If you are on a coffee break, this activity should be considered as a non-value added activity because it doesn't add any value to your company. If you, as an IT trainer, are writing an email, this activity should be considered as a medium or low value added activity. The last step is to do a summary of the data from the entire week in one table. Later, during the course, we will explain what would be some of the best practices for summarizing and analyzing the data.